Uncle Sam,
yes.
you know, today is not just your lucky day.
My brother.
Today is our lucky day. Drink up, drink up. You see, yeah, cheers, a big cheers to you. Yeah. You know, life is really funny. I mean, life took your wife away from you, but now life has also landed you with a whooping sum of 15 million naira.
It is true. But Matthew, how wonderful it would have been if my wife were to be alive to celebrate with me.
Oh, Uncle Sam, don't worry about that. My wife and I will make sure we take very good care of you. You're like a father to us. Uncle Sam, drink up now. We are celebrating you.
Oh, yeah, thank you, thank you.
Uncle Sam, the big winner. Drink up. We are celebrating you today.
Derek, why don't you round up quickly so we can go home? I like to rest a little bit, then prepare for tomorrow when I will collect my whoopee 15 million naira. Let's round up.
Uncle Sam, go here. We are just getting started because we are celebrating you. Drink up, Uncle Sam. You say go home. Waiter! Waiter, bring more drinks. Yeah, bring it. Hurry up. Uncle Sam.
Why would you even do this? Why would you even do this?
Look, I never planned it. I swear to you, I didn't plan for it. But we need this money more than he does. What could that old man possibly use this money for? Remember, we have so much dreams, so many things we want to realize. But now with this money, we're gonna get it done. I'm sure I would stay off crime. I'll never do anything like this. I love you so much. I love you. You're my world. I love you so much. So much. So sorry.
I love you. I swear to God.
I promise you I'll never do
I swear to God I love you. I love you so much.
Hold him, Sadiq.
You are under arrest for the murder of Mr. Sam. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Arrest him.
Take him out!
Madam, it's okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I'm assuring you that your effort will not be forgotten. If every other city
Mommy, you're looking so good. I am so happy. Yeah. You're welcome. Mommy, you're looking very healthy.
Thank God. It's all thanks to God and you, my daughter.
Thank God.
I don't know what I would have done without you.
Thank God. At least you're looking good now, like last time I came.
I'm fine.
I brought bad news.
I don't want anybody to speak.
Mommy, you must hear this one. A lot of things are happening in this world. Do you believe that the killer police were looking for was actually Clara's husband?
What do you mean by that? Huh?
Clara's husband killed their neighbor. The old man that was missing.
Clara's husband?
Ma.
Clara's husband? How? Huh?
They said the old man won a lotto ticket of 15 million. Derek, now, out of envy, lured the old man to beer parlor, got him drunk, and murdered him by the roadside.
Hey!
Took away the ticket.
Oh my God!
Clara told me herself that she saw the ticket in her husband's possession.
Hey! My goodness! What is happening? What is really happening, you young men and women of today? What is happening? What kind of wickedness is this? Hey, the Bible said that the heart of man is wicked.
He's wicked though, he's wicked. He's wicked. If you see this Derek of a man, you won't even believe that he could do such a thing.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Anyway,
how can somebody be so devilish like that? Eh? With this kind of evil in.
And I found some documents and pictures that had my name and my mom's name in it. I'm not exactly, really sure right now. I first of all have to go see my mom to clear things up.
Take all the time you need to clear your curiosity. Then you can file any evidence you see at the station.
Okay, I'll get back to you. Thank you.
I don't understand what you're talking about, the picture and certificate.
What I'm trying to say is the exact pictures I saw at Mr. Sam's apartment today. I had seen it at my mom's apartment before.
But I remember you telling me some time ago that you didn't grow up with your father. If I may ask, how much do you know him?
I don't really know my father that much. In fact, I don't even know my father at all. Anytime I ask my mom about him, she just gets really emotional, and starts to say that he abandoned her when she gave birth to me and all that, And I usually do not like to push it. I just let it go because, she keeps saying that, she gave the excuse of, of not wanting a child outside wedlock. So he abandoned her after she gave birth to, me and all that. And I really didn't want to push it, so I just let it go.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, considering the certificates and the picture you're talking about, I think the only way to find out who Mr. Sam's daughter is to trace the address. And on the other hand, I think you need to visit your mom to clear things out.
My mother. It's literally impossible to get my mom to say anything that has to do with my father. Like, mission impossible.
Well, I don't know, but I do like to go with you. Maybe we'll find a way around it to make her talk.
You don't know my mom, that's why you're saying this. But it's fine. If you say you want to come with me.
Don't worry, we'll find a way around it. Meanwhile, I know you're hungry. You're very hungry. Look at it in your face. I just finished cooking jollof rice.
First of all, I don't look hungry. But secondly, you are a fantastic cook. So yes, I'm interested.
Oh, my darling, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
How are you?
Fine, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank
It's a surprise seeing you. It's been a while. I was even thinking of coming by to stay 1 or 2 days with you.
I'm here now.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
My darling, so how are you coping?
Mom, honestly, Mom, it's been crazy.
I know.
Like, I can't even walk on the road without people looking at me and pitying me and saying all sorts.
So sorry. How's the family too? How are they taking it?
Derek's family?
Yes.
Mom, I don't even want to talk about that right now.
Why?
Story for another day. Okay. Meanwhile, Mom, there's something that I want to talk to you about. It's something that's been bothering me lately.
What is that?
I want to know who my father is.
Amina, my darling, how are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
How is Lagos?
Oh, bless God.
Mom, I know this is you deliberately trying to avoid this question because you don't want to talk about my father.
Don't go there, please.
Mom, I'm an adult. I need to know who my father is.
My darling, please come and join me. How are you? Just come and sit here with me. Don't go there. Never. Never.
Mom, your daughter here has been through emotional pains lately. And officially she's giving Derek a divorce. Maybe in the nearest future she might get another man to marry. But on the other hand, if anything happens to you now, Clara here will need a blood relative to run to.
I have good brothers and sisters that can take good care of her.
Mom, please. I feel your pain. Trust me, I do. But I really need to know who my father is.
Please, there is nothing to talk about. There is none. Present and past, there's none. Please, let it go. Let it go, please.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine, Mom. If you don't want to talk about it, I won't bother you. I won't force you. I don't want to push you back to remembering the emotional trauma you went through, so I won't push it.
Please, Mom.
But Mom, please, I need you to help me identify this picture.
God. This cannot be true. Where did you get those pictures? Was this your father? And this is you? And this is me?
Mom, you're joking.
This is Samuel Ambrose. No, this can't be. Because this is your child dedication. And this is your certificate of it.
Oh my God!
What's wrong with her?
This is the man Derek killed. Her neighbor.
Samuel Ambrose. My God. My God.
One of my husband has killed my father.
I don't know where to go. I don't know how to.
Got you my pain. If you do this thing for God, bless you. Just find me bread, even if na biscuit, make I manage. Even you can look around, even if na expired biscuit or all this bread where don't be like 2 weeks, make I manage. I beg. I swear, I never chop since 2 weeks. Calm down. Please. How many times have you begging something? Please, this is the last time. Please wait, my young man. See. You can't go to your and you are begging for condemned biscuit or even expired bread. Look at what you're wearing. Are you removing this thing and tell it to me? I'll give you anything you want. can't be wearing such clothes and you're begging for forgiveness. See, my brother, you see this chair?
Wait.
My girls,
you know
I will pay.
No, make sure you get that coat before you come. Chuma. This guy don't come again.
Now look at this guy. He's owing me because I'm not paid. Now here, the president for
I see. Honestly, to tell you the truth, I don't know how you manage. In fact, how did I even accept you as a friend? Stop cutting eye for me. Stop giving me that signal. You go from one shop to another, one shop to another, one shop. That's how you be bringing shame to me. Keep disgracing me.
Paul, now what for you? One of you to help me and beg you. Ask me what's the problem, eh?
Why will I help you to beg? I tell you sir, be very beggar. I tell you sir, they're hungry. I know they're hungry like the way you're hungry now. Bringing shame to me. Well, Chuma, we are very sorry for that. I will try as much as I can to make sure that you pay back. I will try. Don't your debt don't reach up. If you are hungry, come, let me go and buy you food. Come, make I go buy you food. Hungry man. Come.
Polo.
I see you while they make noise. Come, make I go buy you food. I'm ashamed of you. Come.
See, you know if you
make sure you bring my money next week.
You know if you have beside the bed for expired biscuits, eh? You condemn me. Just to dress up 2 hours.
I'm a lady now. She look good, package.
Yeah, you sent for me.
Yes, baby, I did. Honey, there's something I want to discuss with you. I don't know how to tell you this, but baby, you know I love you so much, and I don't want anything that will ruin our relationship. What I'm about to tell you, baby, might break your heart. But I want you to know that whatever you decide to do, I will stand by it. Just anything you say, I'm going to stand by it. I promise.
Jennifer, what is it now? You are scaring me. Just go straight to the point. Oh, have you gotten yourself into trouble? Talk to me, I'm hearing you.
Baby, I missed my period, and I didn't know how I managed to. I don't know what happened. I didn't check before it got to 8 weeks, and now the doctor confirmed that I'm 8 weeks pregnant. It's not
8 weeks. See, Jennifer, wherever you missed your period, okay, please go back to that place and pick it up. How can you be this careless? How can you? Jeez. What? You know I'm doing nothing in this village. Eh? You know I'm doing nothing for a living. How do you expect me to cope with you, taking care of you and this baby? Hey Jennifer, how can you do this to me? Eh? How do you expect me to cope? Is it with all these petty manual jobs that I will use to take care of you and the baby? No. Oh, Jennifer, see, you know I love you, okay? But please, you have to get rid of the baby. I'm begging you. I love you so much, and I want to spend the rest of the day.
You don't talk to anybody. If there's any problem, I'm your man. Talk to me. If I have advice, I give to you. If it's something I can solve for you, you know I can do it. What is the problem? Sam, talk to me. I'm your man. What is the issue?
Polo, I don't understand ladies these days. They are just a set of distractions. Can you imagine Jennifer? Jennifer telling me that she missed her period.
Wait, but do you understand what you try to get what you talk? Maybe you don't understand what you talk. Tell me, say she carry belly for you. Ha! Now, wow, Sam, you don't buy market. Oh, you don't buy market.
How she go? Oh, why now? Me and you know how your life be. Me and you know how everything be. You never even see food chop. Woman won't come carry belly for you. Oh, but if not like that, your condition don't worse. Your condition don't bad like this. So. Because if she bought now from giving birth now, you go begin to spend money, they spend money, and not God if you can punish you now, say the wages of sin is death. Make her punish this when I can't give your wife twins. Or they come born, they say they born two, remember one, come born three. Now wait till they make man kill himself be that though. Don't be when you chop, you go give picking. Your life don't worse like this.
The better trouble now I enter soon. Just imagine, look at me. Meanwhile, still the hustle to look for money to wear better clothes and shoes. You know I'm a fashion freak now. Eh? See me while the hustle to even eat. Eh? Now I'll be talking about marriage. For what? Where would I even see the money to take care of my wife or to feed my children? Where? But Polo, I'm not gonna lie for you. I'll tell her what's up. I asked her to get rid of the pregnancy.
When you make money, hey, you feel tell yourself, Sam, I can now go and marry. You marry any woman of your choice. But if you marry now, you don't carry yourself go to Black Talk. Come out.
Oh, you know I like you. You are the only true friend I have.
Yo, trust
because you are almost intelligent. Polo.
Well, since small bottles are not coming again, we'll go find way. Chase the play Crystal Palace. They will go watch.
Mama Kechi, I've just paid the bill. Pay the bill.
Hey, Mama Kechi, don't collect your money.
I can tell you, see the money. Wait, you carry me come. You can go. I can tell you something.
What's going on?
Yeah, what is it?
For days now, they've been talking to me, taking my calls or replying my messages. Has it gotten to this point? I mean, come on.
I didn't reply your messages because they were not making any sense to me. You are not reasoning with me. Why can't you just get rid of this thing? Eh? Just small something you will do, you don't want to do it. Eh? See, baby, sit down, sit. Baby, you know I love you. Yeah, I truly love you so much. But I want you to understand something. It makes no sense bringing a child to this world when we don't have money to take care of it. We don't have money to take care of the baby. Please. We will make babies when we have money to take care of them. Why can't you just understand with me? Please. You know how difficult things are in this village. You know it's not very easy to get jobs. Even most of the time that I'll see food to eat. Are you not the one that is giving me money? So you should consider all these things. Please, I'm begging, okay? You have to just get rid of this. Please.
Okay, baby, okay, I've heard. I will try my best, baby. I'll take you girl. I'll try. Just I'm scared if I'm punched. What if I die? I'm just scared. Don't worry, I'll do it, baby. I'll do it.
Do it. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, Marita. You see why I love you so much?
Stop, baby. Baby, look at me. I've lost weight. See, for days now, I've not been eating well because you feel talking to me. Look at me now. I'm so family. Baby, let's go to our restaurant. Now, that's our favorite place. Let's go and eat there. Maybe when I die, I will do the abortion. I need to be alive first now.
No problem. We'll go and eat, but I don't have any money with me.
Don't worry, I have some money.
Baby. Let's go.
just sign up and down? You're looking so stressed and tired. What is it now?
My dear Sam, still complaining about his current situation of not being able to take care of himself, talk more of the wife and the baby. So, considering his own situation, I'm just considering following what he said. Maybe just get rid of it. And
get rid of what? Yeah, that means you don't love him now.
Why are you talking like this now?
What do you expect me to do?
No, why are you talking like this? You know how much I love Sam. You don't right from our secondary school days. You know now, don't talk like that.
See, let me tell you something. Any woman that loves his man will not even think of getting rid of his baby. I'm telling you. Because a child is a blessing to any relationship. But wait, Jennifer, I thought both of you are engaged now. Then why is he talking about getting rid of his own child?
Sam and I are engaged, yes.
And I know that.
We both love each other. Okay? But Gift, this whole situation, this whole baby thing, it will slow us down. You know, our jobs is nothing to write home about. You know that Sam is still struggling to feed himself. Let alone me and the baby. So my dear, I think he's right. I think he's right. I think it's best we get rid of it and plan our lives better. I think that's why I called you here. I just need your own opinion. I'm confused.
You need my opinion. Well, if you need my opinion, I will advise you. And the only advice I can give you on this, you're listening, yeah? The only advice I can give you is you should just keep the pregnancy. Besides, aborting a pregnancy, it's not a right decision. Like seriously. See, let me tell you. You don't even know, if that's the only child God has put in your womb. Do you know what that child will grow up to become? If you abort that child now, do you know if there's another one in your womb that you will deliver tomorrow? Think about it now. No, like seriously. The best decision you can take on this issue, just keep the baby. Just keep it. Meanwhile, I need to hurry. I'm running late. Somebody is waiting for me. Yes.
Somebody. Who is somebody?
It's your business. Continue with your sound.
Who's the somebody?
I think I like you.
If you like, don't use something.
Use what?
Don't be a cow.
Did you use your?
They want to be like me.
Did you wear your?
Please
don't think about what I told you. It will be good for you.
You have somebody. Jennifer.
Are you alright?
Me? I'm alright, but I'm okay, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Then what were you thinking about?
Me? Okay.
I was thinking about my customers,
they've been owing me. So I'm thinking of a strategy.
That I will use to collect the money from them. That's just
Mama.
Well, if you say so, then let me advise you not to think too much.
Okay.
Country is bad. Everybody is complaining. Country is bad. Take it easy. They will definitely pay. So that you don't go and develop high blood pressure issues for yourself.
No, I'm too young now.
I wonder.
It's for old people.
So it's for people like me.
No, not for you, Mama, not for you.
Anyway, I'm off to the market.
Okay, Mama.
You'll be going to the shop, right?
Yes, I will.
But you're not dressed.
I will just do that now.
Oh yeah, now go and get dressed so that you go to the market.
Okay, Mama.
Let me start going to the market.
Okay, Mama.
Take care of yourself.
Take care. Have a nice day.
You too, my dear.
Hey!
What?
This way you're looking so attractive today. Don't tell me somebody wants to take you away from me.
Baby, you're so jealous. Oh, come on, seriously, baby. You know I've got eyes only for you, baby. Only for you. Well, I'm going to my shop, okay? And I like looking good for my customers. The fact that I own a shop does not mean I'll go to my shop tattered and looking like, no, I dress well. You know, with the little money I have, I just need to dress well.
Anyway, it's very good to look good.
Yeah.
Actually, why I came is I wanted to. Is your mom around?
She's in the backyard.
Backyard. Yeah. See, here, take this one.
Okay.
Go and get rid of this thing, please. Just go to that clinic that is close to Afro Market. Just go there. Take care of it.
It's okay. First of all, let me apologize for all the pressure I must have put you through. You know, all this raising money and everything. I'm really sorry, baby. It's not intentional. Okay?
It's okay. It's for our own good. And please make sure you go to that clinic. That particular clinic. I don't want you to go to all these roadside people that used to miss Mborogo. I don't like it too.
But baby, you know, I don't really know much about these things. And even that place you just mentioned, I don't know if they can do it well. Maybe I should ask one or two of my friends. Maybe they have a better option.
Yeah, of course, you're a big girl now. You should know what to do, okay? It's for our own good.
I'm scared now.
No, nothing will happen to you. It's okay.
Okay, so walk into the shop, right?
No problem, no problem. That's good. Please, make sure you go to...
I will. I will.
Sam, so when they happy, your mood don't change, everything is still the order from one bottle, same with the bottle. What happened? Is there anything where you never tell me what I need to know?
Polo, the drink. You see God? Hey! He has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah, I will lift him high. He has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah. Hey!
You know what tell me man over there I go follow lift the high.
Polo, see, I am just thanking God. God has done it for me.
What is God do?
Do you know that Jennifer has accepted to flush away that thing?
Wait, is that the reason why you've been thanking God, telling God you are lifting him high and all that?
Yes, now.
Well, are you sure of what you are telling me?
How am I sure?
Yes, did you go with her?
See, let me tell you. I personally put her on the bike that took her to the clinic.
Yes, that means solution is everywhere now.
Omego.
It's good though. This, in fact, we really need to celebrate for it. We really need to, you know, what you have to do for me now is to still demand one more bottle for me so that I will be alright. So my normal gauge will be alright.
You are my person now. You don't have problem, okay? Just order for drinks.
Madam, we take one way.
Three bottles, anyhow.
We take one way. I'm sorry.
I'm coming.
Chike mera yomo agalaba nwa onye ga-enye m agalaba nwa onye ga-enye nwanya fridge ikwesị ibupụta ebrezi ya mee mortuary. I'm okay.
Mother, you don't get to eat your mugobi.
That's which every day you will send woman fish in the road as I move the chair like this.
Polo. Drink. Don't worry.
So I still do myself.
Drink, if you want more. So finally. Baby. Yeah. What has been happening? I've not seen you for the past 4 days. And you didn't even bother to get in touch with me to give me feedback based on the stuff.
Just there.
Well, I understand. So how did it go? I hope it was successful.
Baby, I didn't do it.
Did I hear you well? You didn't do what?
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind? Baby, how can you just change your mind over something we both agreed to do?
Baby, don't say we. No. You made the decision to abort my pregnancy. Okay? But I just felt it's inappropriate and decided to keep my child. It's my baby. It's my child. I don't want to abort my child. It's my baby. I want to keep it.
Jennifer, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Do you know how many plots of land I cleared just to raise that money? Do you know? I just pray someday you will not wake up and call me an irresponsible man.
Come on, love. Come on, baby. Come on. Baby, look at this from a different angle. God has a way of doing things. Maybe it could just be God's way of using this child to elevate us, to change our status. You never can tell. Baby.
Stop babying me. Baby. You know what? See, let me just make this clear to you. I am not ready for marriage. I am too young. I am too young for marriage. Look at me. See, this is white hair. It's not grey hair. I am a young bobo. See, if you want us to be in peace, you have to get rid of this thing. When you get rid of it, you look for it.
Baby, come on. Let's talk about.
Jennifer, is there anything you need to tell me?
Mama, no. There's nothing.
I've been noticing you lately. You gradually lose concentration on things. You're no longer interested in anything, not even your shop. You hardly go there these days. So I ask again, is there anything you need to tell me?
No, Mama, there's nothing. Nothing at all.
Okay? Well, since you said there's nothing you have to tell me, let me tell you my own. It is true you're my only child. And I know how I suffered to train and bring you up right from the very day your father died. And I am very sure I did not train you this way. I just hope that what I am thinking is not true. Jennifer, I hope what I am thinking is not true. Because if my thoughts should come to reality, I will definitely bury you myself.
Sir, Sam. 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 Well, when I say today, I'm flexing the Sam. So when you know they talk to me, when you just only you don't judge, always the freeze drink, waiting happen. Keep quiet, waiting happen. You don't want to talk to person.
Jennifer has killed me.
You don't understand Jennifer has killed you. She should take it again.
Can you remember? I told you that I gave Jennifer 25,000 naira.
Yes, you talk about 25,000.
To flush out that baby.
You told me.
Jennifer did not flush out that baby.
But wait, I want to ask you a question. Were you not the same person that told me that you personally put Jennifer on a bike? And I asked you, are you sure? You said yes. Then how come what now really happened?
It's my own stupidity.
The bike get accident.
My stupidity. It's my fault. Do you know I would have followed Jennifer to that chemist? Eh? I would have followed her to that clinic.
Okay, now she did not do it.
She didn't do it.
Okay, is that why you want to kill yourself?
She didn't do it.
What is that? Is that we'll plan for the next action. But for me, not because of any other thing. My own is that I hate that girl with passion. You have to leave that girl and follow your life. Just do your thing the way you want. Sam, keep the drink, move the go. I just say you get another thing we need to celebrate. Keep the drink, move the go. Sam, keep the drink.
You will not understand.
Forget her, just keep the drink, move, find way, go see how we sort ourselves out. Forget her.
Okay.
Jennifer.
Mama.
You're pregnant.
Me? No. I'm not.
Hi, Jennifer. Jennifer, you are pregnant. You're not pregnant.
No, I'm not pregnant before.
Huh? Come. Come, oh no. Come. Jennifer, you're pregnant now. Eh? Hey! How? Okay. Jennifer, you're pregnant. Hey! Jennifer, who's responsible for this pregnancy? Shame. Shame. The shame you're bringing upon me. Who is responsible for this pregnancy? Hey! Do you know you're dragging me through the gutters? Eh, Jennifer? Do you have an idea what you're doing? Who is responsible for this pregnancy? Hey! Jennifer! Mama, please don't leave me. Mama! Mama!
Mama, don't be.
Jim.
Yeah. I'm fine. You've seen me now. You've seen what your friend has done of me.
See that guy called Sam? He's a very stupid man. Very, very wicked and heartless. How could you... Can you imagine?
Do you know I lost my mom? And even buried her. And he didn't even come for 1 day, not even 1 day.
Your mother?
How? I've been trying to see him. Every day I keep looking for him, but he's not avoiding me. I don't know why he's avoiding me.
Well, see, I don't understand. That issue you are talking about now, that he keeps avoiding you. I remember vividly, he told you. I remember, he told you to remove this bastard in your, this thing in your room, and you refused. Now you want to make him emergency father at all costs. You never ever ask yourself if this guy room money to chop. Keep pushing it. After this, you bring it out. You know what is inside. You know whether it's for Sam.
Is that all you have to say?
No, I will cry. Ogolitio.
Well done. It's okay. I did.
I want to say something. This one where you come to notice. I don't say you never come to disgrace yourself. I should always disgrace yourself for this town.
You think I be like you where you beg every day? I tell you say na beg or borrow I can't do here.
Well, I saw your woman, Jennifer.
My woman?
Yes.
I beg, I never marry you. If you see my girl, tell me you saw my girl. I am not married.
Guy, you are wicked, but I still confess to you, you are my man and will life with you. So you did not even attend Jennifer's mother's burial. You did not even go there to see her. Nothing. You even upon that, you keep avoiding the girl. She'll call you, you will not pick, she'll come to the house, you will not even come out to see her. Why are you that kind of wicked?
Paul, see, if not Jennifer you come here to talk about, I beg, I know good time. I have better things I'm doing.
Better things you are doing? You have better things you are doing? Well, I don't have any time with you. I'm going to my house. Though someone told me that you came to Chima's place to borrow. When you are done, you locate me.
Wait now. Calm down now. You never reached that level. See, the truth is, I want to leave this village. I want to go city. So I can't say I can't see you through my collect.
Must you beg? Must you? Make we leave.
Make I just see Chima.
Make we leave.
I said before you go change your mind now. Guy, I need to enter city.
Chuma, make I just go. Nonsense.
Why you do like this now? I need to. I think Paul is right. Yes. He's right. Jennifer lost her mom. And I didn't go to see her. No, she just put to bed. And I've not gone to see her. God. I think I will go and see her. Not for anything, not for marriage, but let me just go and see her. At least see the baby. Celebrate with them. Take some pictures or photograph. I think that was what I would do.
Mother! Son, this can't be true.
My husband has killed my father.
I'm so sorry.
Mother, Derek has killed my father.